Alright, so I created this game where you're a cat and you can walk around. Now you can notice that the cat can walk freely from the center to the edges, and after it gets to the center, it moves the background instead. Here's the first puzzle. This is handle. Right now, nothing happens. You don't see any, yay, got it right, but it's there. It's set to true, and if you walk around, there's this guy right here. You'll notice that this PNG is animated at this time, so you can see that that's what the sequence is. I put this bar up here temporarily so you can see that it records what you say. Nothing happens if you don't get the sequence right. I guess that sometimes I get the sequence right. And then here I'll develop another puzzle. Right now it's just nothing there. Maybe I'll have like this bookshelf scoot up across. So you can see that these two are true. I haven't solved the third puzzle yet, but I got 2 clues so far. It'd be something like this would say the number 7 is the answer to the code or something, and using candle right here, something like that. And then you use all 3 and you open up the door or something. So yeah, I'm still working on the back part of stuff. I just want to show you that these are not part of the background, but they move with the background. In the code, it says hotspots. These are what are calling these? Calling these hotspots. That they move with the background, so I can put them where they need to be here. But when this actually is moving, I'll move the background. The background is also before I've done something like this, I had to create an escape room on a slider, and that's really cool that you can do that. But it's also I don't know, I think that's kind of a hack. And now you can use JavaScript. You can throw in any image. I replace the data model ID in my JavaScript, and it will just change to that width. So it's really nice that way. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. If I should create a full tutorial on this. Thanks.